What if I told you the next decade will be wilder than any sci fi movie? By 2030, AI could become smarter than humans, Mars might be our second home, and aging itself could become optional. The future is arriving faster than we think. So let's dive into 5 technologies that will change everything. Forget anti aging creams. Scientists may have found a way to actually reverse aging. Harvard scientists have already reversed aging in mice using gene therapy, and human trials are next. Imagine staying young and healthy for 150 years or even longer. Some experts believe aging is just a disease that can be cured, and if they're right, life expectancy might skyrocket. What if roads could repair themselves or buildings heal their own cracks? That's not science fiction anymore. Scientists are developing self-healing materials using nanotechnology and smart bacteria. Imagine potholes fixing themselves overnight or skyscrapers that never need repairs. And here's the wildest part. Scientists have even created concrete that grows like a plant when exposed to water. Today's supercomputers are fast, but quantum computers, they make them look like typewriters. Quantum computing is so powerful it could solve problems in seconds that would take today's fastest computer thousands of years. Google's quantum chip has already achieved quantum supremacy, meaning it can perform tasks no normal computer ever could. This could mean unbreakable encryption, instant drug discoveries, and AI that's 1000x more powerful. Elon Musk believes humans could set foot on Mars before 2030. But what happens after that? NASA, SpaceX, and China are locked in a race to create self-sustaining colonies beyond Earth. Think about it. Floating space hotels, asteroid mining megastructures, and thriving farms on Mars growing fresh food. Chatbots and smart assistants, that's just the beginning. By 2030, AI could have the ability to think, plan, and make decisions like a human. Imagine an AI doctor diagnosing diseases faster than a human, or an AI lawyer winning court cases without breaking a sweat. Companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind are working on artificial general intelligence, AI that can learn anything, just like us.